Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you create your own website using AI. So let's get right onto it. So go over to the site heyleia.com and let's go over to learn more if you want to learn more with this site, and let's go get started with this. So for this one, let's try and create gym management, and all you have to do is go over and type on this one and go over to ask me questions if you want to them to ask me a question. But let's go back. Let's just build my site for this example. So continue. So there, finish. You can also input your email if you want, and just wait for this to finish. So as you can see, it's now done. And let's take a look. You can also next here if you want to go over and see the tutorial. Finish and okay. So as you can see, it created a website for you, and you can freely customize this to your own liking. So as you can see, and you can also explore a couple of tools here. You can also click the live one and you can save now. As you can see, this is the live website that you've just created. And here, once you're done, if you are done with this, you can go ahead and make this website official by upgrading to Leia's plan. And this is very reliable, guys, and very worth it because of what this website offers. So there, guys, that is how you can do this tutorial, and this is the prices. And there, guys, that is how you can build your website using AI. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.